Okay, here's a video for May the 3rd, and this is the S&P 500 index. If you haven't watched the introductory videos yet, you really kind of have to do that if you want to follow this. So those are on the main page, the member section. So here's the S&P 500. Over here, this is where we are. This is the daily chart. And as you can see, big red candle. It looks like it's going to break these two lines. It didn't look good in Europe on Monday. And here's the cloud here. But something I want to look at is the 240-minute chart. I really like this chart for indices. If you can bring it up on your system, I really suggest that you do that. And it looks like it's touching the cloud here, but look down here at the momentum. Momentum's really, really weak. I would really expect it to move into the cloud, and I'm starting to get more and more bearish, looking for more and more bearish setups. What I would really actually love is a nice rally for a day or two. Not huge, but maybe 100, 150, 200 points on the Dow, and that's going to set up some great signals that are breaks on bottoms and then a rally right up to where it breaks. And when that simultaneously breaks the positive trend, you get a really, really great scenario. And I'm seeing that start to set up on BHP especially, which is something that I'm looking for. This is the daily chart of BHP. BHP Billiton, it's the largest commodity company in the world. As you can see right here, it breaks the daily cloud. If you are a trader, there is absolutely no way that you should be long on a break of the daily cloud, ever. If you are, a day trader, you're trading the 5-minute chart, you always have to be aware of this daily chart. And I keep putting the crosshairs here over this candle. And even if you are a day trader, you want to trade with the trend. So back here, it breaks the cloud, it's moving up, you be aware of the daily chart. Then you can trade the 5-minute chart on the cloud and be aware of the overall move, and don't try to trade against it. You can only get very, very small trades against the trend. Here's APA. This happened. This is something that almost never happens, where you get this hammer type candle here. But down here, momentum's really weak. We got stopped out, but I don't like APA at all. I wouldn't go long. You might get a little bit of a blip of $1 or $2, and that actually might set up some shorts. So I wouldn't count out actually going short APA in the next couple of days. Not to make up for what happened with getting stopped out. It's just actually kind of setting itself up as a pretty good short in the coming days as well. For all you currency traders out there, this is the euro. Remember back here I said don't get in the euro because it was touching the daily cloud down here. It still moves down from this Tenkan line. So when you're aware of the overall trend, which is negative, take a look what happens back here on the 5-minute chart. This is really just for day traders. Take a look here. Now we're aware of the overall negative trend. Look back here, breaks this cloud right here, very small candle to get in on, and look at this move down, 133. Easy, you can just hold this Tenkan line. There's really no reason to sell when it's hugging the Tenkan line like this. Boom, 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 down to 132.20. Moves over here. Here's where you could get out. First place to get out as a trader, 132.20. That's about 80 pips in 2.5 hours. If you want, you can just sort of get out when these lines cross, and it's pretty much around the same area anyway. But just a great trade here when you're trading with the trend. We always want to trade with the trend to do these small little snapbacks. It's quite rare. It's only usually in extreme situations. And that's the update for today, May the 3rd. Thank you.